Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how you can show your additional name to your connections on the LinkedIn app for PC. LinkedIn recently introduced an update that makes this feature a lot more flexible. And if you want your connections to recognize you by a different name, nickname, or alternate spelling, this is a great way to make that visible. Let's go step by step. First, open your LinkedIn app on your PC. Once it loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me icon, which is where your profile settings are located. Click on that icon to open your menu options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where all of your account customizations live. From here, go ahead and click on Account Preferences. This will open up a new panel with several options that allow you to adjust your LinkedIn experience. Scroll until you see the section labeled Profile Information. In this section, you'll need to click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where LinkedIn stores your name details, along with other basic profile information. Once inside, look for the Additional Name option. This is where you can decide how your extra name, nickname, or alternate spelling of your name is displayed. Click on Choose Visibility to continue. Here, LinkedIn will give you different visibility options. To make sure only your connections can see your additional name, choose the option, Your Connections. This way, the people you're directly connected with will be able to recognize you more easily, while still keeping things a little more private from people outside your network. After you've made your selection, don't forget the final step. Click Save. This makes sure LinkedIn updates your profile settings right away. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've updated your LinkedIn profile so your connections can see your additional name. Thanks for watching.